Lincoln, Bernard. Come on. Come to mama. Oh, that's good babies. Come on. Come on, my big birds. Yes. My handsome man. Look how handsome. Lincoln. And this is Bernard bird. Come on, Bernard. Come on, baby. I got snacks. Oh. Come on, Bernard. Bernard. Bernard bird. Okay. Make sure Link. There you go. Get some snacky snacks. Good boy. Here, Bernard bird. Here, Bernard bird. Here, you want to say hi to everybody? You want to get some snacks out of here? Huh? Bernard. There. So, Bernard bird and Lincoln were our very first turkeys. And I thought showing them love was giving them pounds and pounds of mealworms. It turns out it was not. And if you have a meat bird, you run the risk, if you're going to keep them like as pets, you run the risk of them being obese and having walking problems from being so big. So now Bernard bird is only allowed to have just a few mealworms. And I try not to do it every day, but I don't want him to feel like he's neglected either. But this is Bernard bird. Him's a handsome man. Look at that snood. And this is Lincoln. He's a showboat.